No head kisses allowed today? Okay. I love you. I love you. I love you. I do. Yes. Please don't bite me.
Gussie, stop it. I'm just taking a bath. Give me a candle. Come. Hello? 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 Mikey? What are you doing? Nothing? I don't think it's nothing. I think you're trying to get into the cat drawer.
Flying all the way to LA for one bag of nuts. Annie, that would be stupid. I get another bag on the way back. Nice.
This stupid cat can't ignore his dad's single status any longer. It's time for him to take action. You took yourself in, but the feline detective is already on the case.
They were tend to be altering them never to speak of any of this. We went back to the same spot in France before.
What are you doing over there? Well, why don't you come see me? Are you making biscuits for Daddy? Making biscuits? Are you gonna be a good boy?
One more time.
I love you.
One more.
You're gonna be good. My good boy. Okay.
Say I love you.
I love you. Oh.
You don't know.
Apa? Mama. Mama.
That you can come up to me and bump me and say meow, but I can't do to you. Meow! Yeah. What if I'm hungry? What? Whoa. You're really taking down the house. Burning down the house. Excuse me, I'm hungry.
This cat would fed up causing trouble with the furniture, so it moved on to its next challenge. Mom.
I'm so sorry. I have to go. But don't look at me like that. Ow. I cannot stay here. I cannot stay here. I have to go sleep. I have to. You okay?
Are you sleepy? Do you love your mummy? Do you love your daddy?
True orange dude can just either cause chaos or be busy talking.
Oh! Hi! Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yeah, you're starving.
Okay, you and I need to talk. Yeah. That just does not look like a good place to hang out. I know. I'm doing something.
They're in a who knows each other better contest, and Kitty never loses in this game.
He has shifted like 4 times to get closer to my neck.
He's so cute.
Yo, apa? Aku tidur. Tidur lah. Yo. 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 Tidur. Ngantuk, eh? Ngantuk. Can I have a kiss? Another one?
What are you talking about? How was your day? Aries.
No. Where's Ellie? Where's Ellie? Where's Ellie? Where? Look.
Tell me, how do you always win? The Cutest Lady Award. Back to you.
Rita, you have a bunch of new friends. Anything you want to say to them? Okay, I'll pass along the message.
I have to tell you something. Okay, so do you remember those treats that you really like, the tuna fillets? So I may or may not have given them to Stella yesterday.
You have got to get brushed. No. Sick of you not being stroppy. No.
Hi. What are you doing? You look handsome. So cute. I love you. You say hi to everybody.
What are you looking at? What are you shopping for? You're gonna end up ordering.
Now you want to go? Why you want to leave? You shouldn't have been on my counter. No. You gonna stay here and suffer.
So, first of all, you have to get up, and then we're gonna play a little bit, and then you're gonna get foodie. Yeah. And when I'm done working, depending on the weather, we're gonna take you on a walkie.
This orange cat may be a bad guy in anyone's eyes, but he wants to be a nice cat to her. Looks like we have a mini lion guarding the princess.
Bye, baby.
Bye.
Be right back.
Mum, I know you love sleeping, but my bowl's completely empty. Please fill it. It's urgent.
Чушь ты, Фродоров?
Я сейчас умру.
The artistic souls in them made this couple know that they were destined for each other.
Who's down there? My mom?